Does your son yell at you anytime you tell him it's time to get off video games or screen-based devices? Have you tried giving him 5-minute warnings, using timers, and found that none of those strategies work? Stay tuned.
That's the name they gave me.
Hi, I'm Ryan Wexelblatt, ADHD dude. So as you've probably learned through your own experience, kids with ADHD can hyper-focus on things that are interesting to them, like video games, and they can notice details that other people might not notice. And this hyper-focus is something that could really help them be successful in life when they can apply it to a career path when they find something they really enjoy. The other side of this is that it can be challenging for them to transition from a preferred task like video games to a non-preferred task. In order to help your son transition off of video games without an argument or a meltdown, we have to help him visualize the transition from the preferred task, which here is video games or screen-based devices, to the non-preferred task, and help him prepare for that transition by tapping into his future thinking skills. The reason why things like timers and 5-minute warnings don't work is because they do not teach your son how to visualize time in the future. When a timer stops, you cannot see how much time has passed into the future after it stopped. This is why I tell parents do not use timers. They don't help your son learn how to develop a sense of time. The reason why 5-minute warnings or verbal reminders don't work is because saying you have 5 minutes left means nothing to him. Keep in mind, your son does not experience time the same way you do or other kids his age who do not have ADHD, so 5 minutes is really an abstract concept to him. I teach a simple strategy in Executive Function Crash Course for Parents webinar series number 3. And what I can tell you is I get more feedback about this strategy than any other because of the tremendous difference it makes in helping kids get off video games or screens without a fight. Most importantly though, parents share with me that their sons feel better about themselves when they realize they can successfully transition from a preferred task like video games to a non-preferred task. Keep in mind, I'm not saying that your son will ever be happy about having to get off video games or screens, but we can make this process easier for him and teach him how to prepare for transitions and conceptualize time simultaneously. Please check out the Executive Function playlist at the ADHD Dude YouTube channel. And when you're ready to implement some strategies at home, you can learn about the ADHD Dude membership site at my website, adhddude.com. And please also feel free to follow me on Facebook and check out my Attitude magazine page, ADHD and Boys. I hope this is helpful. I'll speak to you soon. Take care.